viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today we're going to discuss about the absolute liability in tort of law. The principle of absolute liability was evolved in India in the case of MC Mehta versus Union of India, popularly known as Parliament Gas Leak case. This is one of the landmark judgments of the Indian judiciary. We have always followed the British rules and regulations even after the independence. Before the evolution of this doctrine, India been evolving into strict liability doctrine. But the problem with the doctrine was that it has so many exceptions that the guilty one always uses to go with the exceptions and was done away with the crime committed. Now, after the Bhopal gas leak case, many people have lost their lives. There was a havoc in the city of Bhopal after the gas leak, as many people have lost their life, and many people were affected with the fatal diseases that lasted through the generations. So court decided to depart from the strict liability principle and develop a new principle that is known as the absolute liability. Strict liability minus exceptions. This rule was laid down by Supreme Court, which is so much wider with respect of the rules that was laid down by the House of Lords in the case of Rayland versus Fletcher. When a defendant is guilty, he is not allowed to plead any defense. It is strict liability with no exceptions. Concept of absolute liability. It is if an industry or enterprises is engaged in some activity inherently in a dangerous activity from which it is deriving commercial gain, and that activity is capable of causing catastrophic damage, then the industry officials are liable to pay compensation to the aggrieved parties. Now, there are some essentials of the absolute liability. First one, there must be the dangerous thing. Second one is escape. Third one is non-natural use of land. Fourth one is mischief. Now, what are the scope rule of absolute liability? In almost all the cases of the rule of absolute liability is considered exception of law, catastrophic accident of Oleman gas leak tragedy, the act that the Public Liability Insurance Act 1991 was introduced. Its objective was to compensate the victims of the case where the hazardous substances or handling the dangerous substance is involved. The main motto behind the act was to create public liability insurance fund, which eventually used to compensate the victims. Thank you.